Hi, I'm Gary Nobile, Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. I want to share with you some statistics from Santa Clara County single-family homes for month end October 2019. A couple of important statistics I want to share with you. The first one is 8-1. That's the 49ers record. Even though they lost a heartbreaker on Monday night to Seattle, that's still a really good start. And the other statistic is 5-4. That's the Raiders. They still got a shot at the playoffs, so let's not count them out. I think we'll talk about the Warriors maybe next month. Anyway, so back to real estate. Median prices, let's start with that. Prices are down about 7% across the county, but there's so many micro markets. There's some places that are up, like for example, Morgan Hill is up 9%, Gilroy's up 9%, Palo Alto is up 6%, and then you see Santa Clara is down 7%. You see Cupertino is down 18%. You see Sunnyvale is down 7%. So there's some higher and lowers, and we'll kind of go into some details about that. Across the board, I'd say $1 million plus is now the new normal for single-family homes. Has been for over a year, and I think that's generally becoming accepted in this market. Number of homes sold countywide, it's down about 11%. Los Gatos is down 19%. Cupertino is down 17%. San Jose is down 11%. Mountain View is down 8%. A couple of areas where homes sold are up. Gilroy, 28%, Los Altos 22%, Sunnyvale up 6%, Santa Clara up 5%. Interesting. Inventory of homes for sale. So I'm seeing inventory is up for most areas, but a couple places it's down. You look at San Jose, for example, which again is a big number in the county. Their inventory is down to 599 homes, down from 833 homes a year ago. They're down 28%. That's a big number of homes. That's a lot fewer selection than you had this time a year ago. And I think what we're seeing is interest rates came down. There were so much choices. Buyers actually jumped in full force. So a couple specific areas, I'll just summarize. Palo Alto, homes sold are down 18%. Inventory is up 42%. Median price is up 6%. That's kind of unusual for a total of $3.2 million. What I'm seeing in Palo Alto is when a year ago, or 2 years ago, you put your home on the market as is, you get 20 offers, blow it out of the park in terms of price. Now what home sellers have to do is they're trying to put more money into their home before they put it on the market, and because of them investing more before they hit the market, they're actually getting a higher overall price. That same home 2 years ago to now, without any changes, would actually be costing less. So it's kind of a misnomer. Morgan Hill, a little different story. Home sales are up 32%, inventory is also up 32%, and median price is up 9%. Now they're over $1 million at $1,040,000. Gilroy, homes sold are up 20%, inventory is up 15%, median prices are up 9% to $819,500. And then you look at Santa Clara, homes sold are up 5%, but it's only 2 units, so it's kind of 5% isn't a big number there. Inventory is down 36%. You go, okay, well, homes sold are up, inventory is down, prices should theoretically be going up, but prices are down 7% to $1,219,000. I think what I'm seeing there is that the lower valued homes within Santa Clara are selling more briskly than the higher end homes within Santa Clara, if that makes sense, which is pulling down that average price. Now, Cupertino, inventory is down 6%, homes sold are down 17%, and prices are down 18%, but they're at $2,120,000. So that's what's happening in different areas within the market. If you have questions or like my assistance in anything, just one thing to keep in mind, there's something called a list price to sales price ratio. That's the price that you get over or below or at your listing price. A couple years ago, we were seeing that number being 114%, which means that you were getting multiple offers and prices were being driven over your list price. Now, last year was at 102%, now it's at 100%. So what that tells you as a home seller is that you've got to be really dialed in on your list price. So when we put your home on the market, we have to make sure we get that list price just right, otherwise it's going to sit. If it sits on the market, it gets shop worn, you end up getting less money than if you had priced it right in the very beginning. So if you have questions, concerns, comments, give me a call. I'm at 408-857-0043 or email Gary@GaryNobile.com. Have a great day. Let's go all of our local teams.